Hi everyone. Today in this video we will be learning all about Panda update. We will learn all the points in detail, and even if we hit by Panda update, how to recover from it. So, without delay,
चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal and I would like to welcome you all to one of the most exciting
Foundation, never gonna be another one, no. I followed, so taken, so conditioned I could never let go. I've seen that frustration, been crossed and lost and told no. And I've come back, unshaken, let down.
hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Google Panda update. This update was first released in February 2011, and it has had a significant impact on how websites are ranked in Google's search results.
What is the Google Panda update?
The Google Panda update is an algorithm that targets low-quality or thin content websites. It was designed to improve the quality of search results and provide users with the best possible experience.
What does low quality or thin content mean?
Low-quality content can be defined as content that does not meet the standards set by search engines, like Google, for high-quality content. This could include content that is 1. Duplicated content that is identical or very similar to other content on the internet. 2. Thin content that is short, lacks detail, or provides little information on the topic. 3. Spammy content that is stuffed with irrelevant or excessive keywords, or includes links to low-quality or spammy websites. 4. Poorly written content that contains grammar or spelling mistakes, or is difficult to read and understand. Search engines use algorithms to determine the quality of content on websites, and low-quality content can negatively impact a website's search engine rankings. This is because search engines aim to provide their users with the most relevant and useful content possible, and low-quality content doesn't meet those standards. As a result, websites with low-quality content may be penalized and pushed down in search engine rankings, resulting in a decrease in traffic and visibility. To create high-quality content that meets the standards set by search engines, website owners should focus on creating original, well-researched content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to their target audience. They should avoid spammy tactics, like keyword stuffing, and instead focus on using relevant keywords and providing valuable information to their readers. By following best practices for creating high-quality content, website owners can improve their search engine rankings and attract more traffic to their website.
What happens if my website is affected by the Google Panda update?
If your website is affected by the Google Panda update, it could result in a significant drop in search rankings and traffic. This could have a negative impact on your business or website.
How can I avoid being affected by the Google Panda update?
To avoid being affected by the Google Panda update, you should focus on creating high-quality, original content that provides real value to your users. This could be in the form of blog posts, articles, videos, or other types of content.
What are some tips for creating high-quality content?
Some tips for creating high-quality content include 1. Conducting research and using credible sources. 2. Writing in a clear and concise manner. 3. Providing real value to your readers. 4. Using multimedia such as images and videos to enhance your content. 5. Avoiding keyword stuffing and other spammy tactics.
What are some other factors that the Google Panda update takes into account?
Some other factors that the Google Panda update takes into account include 1. The overall user experience of your website. 2. The quality and relevance of your backlinks. 3. The loading speed of your website. 4. The presence of any duplicate or thin content on your website.
How can I check if my website has been affected by the Google Panda update?
You can check if your website has been affected by the Google Panda update by using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These tools can help you identify any changes in your search rankings or traffic.
What should I do if my website has been affected by the Google Panda update?
If your website has been affected by the Google Panda update, you should take immediate steps to improve the quality of your content and website. This could include updating your existing content, removing any duplicate or thin content, improving the user experience of your website, and building high-quality backlinks.
Is there anything else I should know about the Google Panda update?
The Google Panda update is just one of many algorithm updates that Google releases on a regular basis. It's important to stay up to date with these updates and make sure that your website is always following best practices for SEO and content marketing.